Is that the top of the Thunderhead?
Looks like it.
Might be.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I saw the veins.
It literally is veins.
Oh my god. That is amazing.
It's salty. Oh my god. That's so salty.
It is.
Oh my god. But don't.
Maybe lightning farther back.
Yeah, that's what that Well, I'm distracted by the ball.
Oh!
What? White.
Over there.
Oh god, we got lightning all around us. What if there's lightning?
I think it's jumping.
Over by the forest. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. I think I got that. It might not be perfect, but I think I got that. I'm gonna look over here.
Oh boy, teenagers are back.
Aren't you a little off?
I'm not that far off.
Oh, yeah, I see you. I see you.
Wait, like. That's a high voltage.
It's way back. Reddish? I call it reddish. This is like white.
I thought that was kind of late. I want to see like a little vein. That's what I was thinking.
This was about a minute. Shit, that reflected off something over here.
This is amazing. I love this so much. This is all I could ask for. It's just see something.
See? What happened here? This all of a sudden was building. All of a sudden it gets dark and all of a sudden it's here. Look at this like building.
There's so much goddamn motion. And you can feel it.
This this
Our humidity's 82. 2.75.
yeah, what even think like they're just bulging right up. They're not
Last
some fly-by clouds either. They're building clouds. Look at that white. I mean, come on, look at that. That's building clouds. That's a back out.
I love seeing like. I just like seeing what's right away.
We have something growing right at Brookhaven. Right at Brookhaven. Yeah, there's cells growing right off the Delaware River. One after another. So the lightning was coming after another. Right over here, part of that cell was up here. Where's the lights? Where's the lights?
Let the cars down.
Lights! only got his own. Got a lot.
God, it ate the moon. Yeah, it just covered that whole snow.
Okay, with the edges. Yeah, put them on.
Well, this apparently just stopped.
The car's hitting my arm.
If the clouds are that big enough to block the moon, oh! Came back. Way back.
At least I caught some. Oh, that's it.
So what is the problem with it? Going. It just says stop.
Ew. Honestly,
Well, I'm
this is
watching
not
this white cloud go off. What about the power line? See it going up. Oh. I don't know if that was a flash or the green light. Go.
Do you stop at a stop sign on a side street and wait for a green light to change? No. Stop and then you go. Right?
if I don't,
That's gone way up there.
lightning over here.
Oh, right here.
I saw a crack.
I'm gonna record over there then.
Got more clouds there.
You have a lot of cloud here.
If it starts raining, I'm gonna be so close.
It's really dark right there.
Heavy cloud cover right now. It might be thunderstorm. It may just be a heavy rainfall.
Unless it needs the lower one moving. Wow, that one really shot up.
One idea.
Soft rice.
Grab the counter TV.
That's no picture.
We got that. That just built.
The cable's full.
That just built. So we're pretty much just getting. This is like all the moisture right here. Right there. Here on top of it. So that we're right in there. breaking the rain in 1 minute. Breaking what rain? Well, it says cloud ceiling starts now. Oh yeah, we got multiple pop-ups showing up. That was freaking silly, that one.
Up there, lighting up with white.
Okay. Good. Good with the focus. Good. I just hit the green button twice and it's off.
Ooh! That was all the way down Philly.
Jesus. Whoa.
Now I see what's happening. Lightning is jumping cloud to cloud.
Now. Okay. Looks like a. Definitely on it. Whoa. Yeah, I'm on it. Not sure if I'm trying to catch lightning or an axe.
Now they're right above us.
The one above the billboard's going to
see the cloud way better on camera. Cloud way better. Little dark cloud. Oh, please get struck. I think I get struck. I want to see that get struck.
Ooh, that was great.
Oh, look at the capture.
How was it going? Shooting.
I think he's banking to right up. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit. Just one. Zoom out just a little.
Low. My mind plane disappears.
Zoomed in, but zoomed in.
Yep. It's this cat. This all flat.
What's with all these threads though?
It's a pain in the ass. That's why you gotta burn the ends. Where's it coming out at?
Well, it's not the one.
Oh, it's coming up the boat.
Oh, actually, yeah. Oh, no, it's bad.
This says Lorraine by Ryan.
I don't know. It's the radar storm.
It's like a...
Marple Towns has got rain up to Radnor.
Yeah, I'm fully
Wow!
Yeah, you hit the brakes damn hard because damn you are.
A lot of lightning here. This is that storm I was seeing in off the Delaware River. Shooting up this way.
Wait a minute, this is coming now, it's going southeast.
See, the future radar wants to put it so far south, it's unbelievable.
Yeah, it's coming southeast. And we're still not getting hit with anything by 11:15.
Whoa, that's a big cloud.
By
Right above us.
11:15, nothing.
Yeah, I got another big cloud right above us.
Yep.
Very white.
Oh, you just came out. was accurate or not. Maybe there's like little strings coming out of it. You're all good. I'm probably not gonna put that in the video. Probably gonna cut that part out.
Money down there, Joe.
Where? Where like here? Well, that cut inconsistent. Or not.
Nasty film on your head.
Like total oil on your forehead.
Yeah.
You want to get in the bathtub just or the shower, just scrub off the moisture. Yeah.
I need a big fan. It's not that. I need a bigger stand. No.
Oh, it's pouring.
Oh shit.